Today I am gonna demonstrate JTech Digital 400 feet HDMI extender. First, let me show you how these boxes connected. We have an Apple TV here. It connected to JTech Digital HDMI transmitter. A typical extender pair comes with a transmitter and a receiver. This is a HDMI cable. And this is Ethernet cable. It is connected to a home router. Here is a home router. See this white cable? It is an Ethernet cable come from the HDMI transmitter. Here. And the other 3 Ethernet cables are going to 3 HDMI receivers. That means we have 1 transmitter and 3 receivers. Each receiver is connected to a monitor. Here is one of the receivers. The cable on the left is an 100 feet Ethernet cable. It comes from router. The cable in the middle is HDMI cable. It goes to the monitor. This is IR cable for the remote control purpose. Here is IR receiver. One useful feature of these extenders is multi-receiver video broadcasting. During the video broadcasting, you can use IR to control the video source. The IR function is very powerful. It can copy any IR signal from any remote controller, and send the signal back to transmitter. Just consider this scenario. You have your DVD player in your living room. You can still watch your favorite DVD and use the remote control in your bedroom. I just hit the play button on my Apple TV remote controller. The IR receiver works great. This extender is not hard to use. Just hook up all the cables, plug and play. The video is transmitted using TCP IP protocol. You can use it with any internet switch. Since high-definition video will consume a lot of bandwidth, we suggest buying a separate networked switch. Let's try another receiver.
I could never prepare him for.
Finally, let's test the third IR receiver.
The machines tried to rig the game. Send a Terminator back to the time before the war to kill my mother.
I hope this video has been helpful and informative. Thank you for watching.